Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video we're going to unbox the brand new Sony X90K series. This is the follow-up to the X90J, which was one of my favorite TVs from last year, so I'm excited to get this open for you, show you what all the accessories are that come inside, and then give you our first impressions of the pictures, so stay tuned. Here we have all the accessories that come in the box. Starting off, we've got the two pedestal legs. Then above that is all the paperwork. And then we've got a power cord, some spacers for wall mounting, and finally the newly redesigned remote control. So far, impressions of the X90K are it's even better than the X90J. So it's been really great to look at. You get a couple 4K 120 Hertz HDMIs on the back, and there's two others that don't have that feature, but at least for gamers out there, you do have a couple spots for your next-gen gaming systems. We're gonna go over more of this in our full overview, so make sure you stay tuned for that, but otherwise, first impressions are really good on this one, and I really wasn't expecting anything less. So, as always, thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.